So you are welcome back to class. In today's class, we are going to continue from where we stopped yesterday. If you not forget, we are talking about research, right? And I told you there are sometimes that what we might want to return some values, but those values will be what inconsistent. So in such instance, we just look for what they have in common. So we are going to combine the search and the mate function. Now let me quickly tell us how the mate function works. So it's equals to mid like this. Going to ask you for the text, you give it the text, then it's going to ask you for the start number. So there are some times whereby what the start number will be what it's going to vary. Yes, it happens at times. So in such instance, most times what we do is that we are going to look for what they have in common, then we work with that. Exactly. We work with that. So and that's the reason about combining search and mate. So in such instance, after getting what they have in common, so our start number will be our search. Exactly. Now let me show you. So it will now be like this. Can just say like this. In front of this my search, I will now type mate like this. Now what's my text? This is my text, comma. Now all this my search. You know this search is going to return what? The position of what? Of this one. Now we now say what? Comma like this. Then how many character do I want? I want just one character. I'll close and say enter like this. Then we use our autofill, enter. Exactly. Let me come again. So there are sometimes we might have some data sets. Maybe what we are going to be having there, but it's going to vary. But they have just one thing in common, in which it can assist us in getting the information we want. So in such instance that okay, we know they have something in common. Now like this, you know they have VCD. So it's not easy for me to say what I want to extract by what just typing what the B or the C or the D. So we use search to locate their position. After that, we are now going to use our mate function. In the process of using our mate function, we are made as text, start number, and number of character. So in our start number, what we are going to do is we just use our search. Exactly. We use our search to return the position of what of those values we want to extract. Then we put the number of characters and we say enter. So that's what we did here. We say what? Just bring your mid here, mid. Then this is my text, comma. Everything we search is serving as what? As my what? As my start number. It means what? Go to this case 7, look for position of this hyphen. Once you've gotten position, just say +1. Now the next thing after that is what I want you to return its position. It has done, then it's going to give us 5. I will say comma. Now what is in that particular position is what I want to get. I will just say what? 1. Just one thing. Enter. Then I'm having my B, C, and D. So this is how to use our search and meet together. I hope you've been able to gain something. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, if you want to join the community channel, the WhatsApp community, message me via the WhatsApp number below. You'll be added to the WhatsApp community. And don't forget our how will I call it? Our webinar is happening on September 14 by God's grace. So do have a nice day. And in the webinar, it's actually a free webinar. It's a free webinar. And the webinar, what we are going to be learning is that we are going to be performing some tasks with our Excel, solve some questions, different questions with our Microsoft Excel. So I'll be expecting a message so that you'll be added to the class. Thanks for watching. We meet in our class in what tomorrow morning. Bye everyone.